Still using a weak hair? Flushed face? Stop right there. Meet the Professional Salon Hair Dryer, the same power salons use, now in your home. Super powerful airflow, dries your hair in minutes. Gemstone Ionic technology, reduces frizz and gives silky shine. Fire heat protection, no more hair damage. Lightweight and portable, perfect for home, hotel, or travel. And guess what? It's now 52% OFF. From PKR 18,995 down, to just PKR 9,065 face screaming in fear. Don't miss this deal. Click the link now and upgrade your hair game today. Tag someone who needs this ASAP. ASAP.